Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are installing a wig from Vanity Affair code 99J wig, Lux Deep Wave. And if you would like to see how this look turned out, and you want to see how you can achieve this full style, go ahead and stay tuned to the end of the video because we got a full tutorial today for you.
Hey yo. Look like I'm going for a swim.
Y'all, I'm scared. This is so cute. It's from Vanity. Let me show y'all. It's there. Okay guys, so we are starting with bleaching the knots, and yes, I did bleach the knots. Nothing happened to my hair. I think it made it great. I think it really did justice for the hair. You know, some people be scared to bleach colored knots, but it worked out perfectly fine here. I used 2 scoops of the BW2. Yes, not the BW2. I don't use BW2. I was thinking about BW2 because I was like, gosh, that shit make your hair dry. But I'm using Quick Blue. I used 2 scoops of the Quick Blue, and I also used the 4 Developer, and I just kind of eyeballed it until it got like a little pasty type of feel. I'm gonna show y'all the consistency of it right now on the camera, try to match my consistency. And once I do apply the bleach to the knots, I only leave it on the knots for like 15 minutes because y'all will see, like, if you leave it too long, it's gonna like turn real pink. So don't do too much, okay? So I am applying that on with a butter knife, and yeah, I'm gonna be in and out this video, so y'all just watch and learn how to apply your wig yourself, okay boo? Because yeah, he's not with Big Wig no more. He's with Miss I Could Do My Own Wig all 2023. Once I have my hairline all plucked out, I like to use my wax stick and my hot comb just to see what I'm working with. All of the products I use per usual is down in the comment section, description bar on my Amazon storefront. Just go ahead and click that and you'll be able to add everything to the cart. As I do on my clients, I do to myself. I just cut those little ear tabs out, and then I cut it in the middle, and I start applying that glue because I like my ball cap to be real sticky. Struggling with the glue, but y'all, I made it work. I got that glue out. I'm using it for the ball cap because who said we was out of glue? Who? Once we got that ball cap sticking, I'm going to use some Got-To-Be spray just to add a little extra hole and some spritz. Once again, all these products are down below in the description bar, so make sure y'all go ahead and cop it. I am using the left side of the Ruby Kisses palette, number 12, and I'm using that to just apply to my ball cap to make it match my skin.
She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. At the door, say yeah. Excuse me, Miss and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah.
Once I have the ball cap all cut off, I am using my 99% alcohol, and I'm also going to use my lace protector by Erica J. And this stuff smells so good, y'all. It do, like, wow. Once you're all done with that and it has dried, go ahead and try that wig on just to see where you're going to place that glue at. You're going to want to position your wig on your head to make sure, like, okay, we doing this, we doing that. All right, I kind of just do it to eyeball everything and see where I want to place the glue at. So once I've gotten that all done, I start placing the glue on my hair, and I am going to be using 4 layers of the Hair by Erica J. I was going to do 3, but I was like, nah, scratch that. We need this thing to last. So baby girl, we're doing 4, okay?
And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say it. You're trying to leave. How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying,
Once you have the glue all dry, it's time to apply that lace, and make sure that you just apply the lace a little bit before the glue. And once you do get that lace where you want it, you're gonna want to press that lace on in, because we need this bad boy to stick. I need it to be giving scalpiana, okay? Scalpiana, mami. I even use my comb because that's how much I need that lace into my head, okay? But don't mind that white glue. Like, it's because the glue wasn't completely dry, but don't be like me. Let your glue dry, okay? But y'all see, once I get from under the dryer, it gives what it's supposed to, okay? Yeah, get into it. So now we're gonna start cutting those ear tabs out, and I wait to cut the ear tabs out until after I glued the lace onto my head, and I just part that section off and then start cutting it to make sure that lace is not irritating my ear, okay? What song was I singing? The first person to guess the song I was singing, I'm going to sing y'all a free belt band. So comment down below in the comment section what song I was singing, because I was clearly vibing out. Once we have the ear tabs all right, we're going to go ahead and cut that lace and start using our eyebrow razor to just go ahead and create a zigzag cut, because you don't want to cut straight. So that's why I'm using the razor, so that you really don't see the lace. After we done melting, it's like, what lace? Yeah, what lace? So yeah, you're just going to part out the sections that did not adhere to the glue. I'm just really trying to mimic my hairline, little piece, like, or the hairline I want. So that's what I'm doing here.
Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I can do it all. I can probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day you make new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. Durage up down low like bombs. Suede boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too talking about it.
Once I have that lace all cut off, I'm going to use that same makeup that I applied to the lace earlier just to apply on the lace on the top. And I am going to use my Sebastian Shaper. Y'all know I usually use my good handy dandy spritz, but recently I've been liking to melt the lace with Sebastian Shapers, but this crap is expensive, y'all. So y'all might want to stick with spritz, because you might run through Sebastian a little quick there, but I do like the way that it does melt. But once I've done that, I'm just using my melt band from Vanity, and I didn't show myself parting the baby hairs out because my camera kept dying, y'all. I still haven't ordered them batteries, but guess what, I actually ordered them last night, but at this time I didn't order the batteries yet. So next time my camera won't be dying and I'll be getting everything. So the missing parts, just know my camera died. And I am cutting my baby hairs, and once I do cut them, you know what I'm finna do next is I'm finna curl them bad boys. So yup. I am using my Got To Be gel and my mousse. I usually use Nairobi, but I was all out of it. So I'm using that mousse and the gel to go ahead and mold my baby hairs. I do use the mousse at the top and the gel at the bottom, just so that the gel holds it in place and the mousse gives it that soft look. So y'all bear with me, because these baby hairs was cutting up. I don't know why when you do your baby hairs on yourself, it be like easy on one side and then hard on the other side. But y'all gonna see, because I eventually get it right. So bear with me.
Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong, because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
Y'all see them baby hairs took a little minute, but once we're all done swooping the baby hairs exactly how we want them, we're just gonna go ahead and section the hair off. Again, my camera did die, y'all, and I was at the shop way late, later than I was supposed to be. So I was like, y'all, I'll do the whole video over if y'all need those little extra details, but I literally just parted my hair how I wanted it. Put it in the middle part, bust it down, and then I hot combed them pieces in the back.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile?
One side of the space buns I did do off camera, but don't worry, y'all, I got y'all on the left side. So what I did do was just hot comb it all neat. I put my Cure Care wax stick to make it all nice and shiny and neat and flat, and I'm just hot combing that bun into a nice little neat bun, okay? But to make it messy, the trick is we're gonna put it in a ponytail. And you might have to do the ponytail a few times, but it's okay. It's okay. Just do it as many times as you need to get it to what you want, okay? So we're gonna put the hair in a ponytail, and then after we do put the hair in a ponytail, we're gonna use bobby pins to pin the bun down and make it messy. So, y'all, just follow with me and bear with me, y'all. We almost approaching the end. We about to be in formation, ladies and gentlemen, period.
And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say hello. You're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me. I saw you from across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say hello. You're trying to leave.
I love using the bobby pins to make my bun messy, because with the bobby pins you're able to control the mess, right? And make it like real cute messy. You know, you get the vibe.
So many things I want to tell you. I think that I should start by saying,
Once we have the buns like how we want them, we're going to use our wand curler, and the pieces that we left outside of the bun, we're going to use those same pieces to make a cute little curly strand.
just clap your hands like this. And if you shorties in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, make her understand y'all will leave hands like this. Y'all will make it bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you, and you want to do everything she want to, man.
Once we're finished with that, I am using my spray bottle and my Mayo Organics to just get my curls how I want them. And of course, once again, this spray bottle is linked in my Amazon storefront, along with all the products I use in this video. So make sure you guys check it out. And yeah, ladies, I'm so excited with how this came out. But y'all, we about to get to the finished look in a few. I'm using my detangling brush. Gonna brush that bad boy through. Use that water, and yeah, I was so excited when this was finished. I didn't even know what to do with my hands. I was just doing stuff like, but yeah, if you don't feel like that when you do your own hair, you just ain't do it right, okay? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Until next time.